Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Serpi. Now, today I'm going to review the exclusive interview that was done on loopjamaica.com. Right? And the interview was done with none other than Christopher Darkpaw Linton. Yeah. Title says, Christopher Darkpaw Linton breaks silence on prison. More? Oh, there will be more. Apparently, this is just part 1. There's going to be a part 2 on May 9th. I'm going to talk what I want to know. Darkpaw sit down in this interview, and after listening to it, after watching it, right, we can't post it because, them probably run go to YouTube and tell them, say, I take them things, and, as me say, I don't know, it look like, say, me teeth, some of them people are white fall, some of them want to risk it. Right. So you can go check it out on loopjamaica.com. But we can still review it, come watch it. This is how I wonder to myself. Who set up this? Who come up with the idea? I know sir, probably Darkpaw linked them, but remember Darkpaw is not a typical 87. Darkpaw have access to some of the finest advice money can buy, but him probably get it for free. Remember, Darkpaw's baby mother is the president of the KAJ. So, to be honest, I'm not even surprised saying me that do something like this. Ask yourself how often you see something like this. 87 like Darkpaw come out and get an interview on a platform like Loop, but not just any interview. Because they say the interview itself is not a problem, because if them did tackle him on some serious questions, be that so well, that's journalism. That's how it go. Regardless of who the person is, they can question and question, but here's the problem, the question them kind of look spooky, bro. The whole interview looks spooky. This is more of a PR stunt than an interview. Let me ask the journalist who questioned Darkpaw something. What the fuck? Let me say this. Mr. Journalist, sneeze 2 times if you're under pressure. Sneeze 2 times if you're under some kind of duress. What's up? Issue. Cause them question they make me ask Darkpaw, I don't know, the whole thing look rehearsed to me. The whole thing look orchestrated. The whole thing look like a PR stunt. The whole thing look, it sound like, it sound like the question them when him asks. In time, big celebrity go to interview them normally sit down with a journalist and say, alright, we're going to answer this, and you can ask me this, and then the man must prepare for it. Darkpaw was so ready for this. Darkpaw was having a field day. Every question asked the Darkpaw was set up, right? Him lick it for 6. Every question was set up for the people who watched the interview to feel nothing but empathy for poor Darkpaw. What go on there, sir? See, I go hold off final judgment until I see part 2. Maybe it gets serious there, sir. But when we see in part 1, well done, Darkpaw. Well done. The PR campaign you set out on is working. I mean, I don't believe you. People in August don't believe you, but as for the rest of the KAJ and the CSS, poor little Darkpaw. See, in the interview, Darkpaw go as far as to mention the fact that him and him babe man in a vehicle, and the police and just arrest him, and instead of them use and just arrest him. Poor little Darkpaw. Every question was set up for Darkpaw sound like a victim. You see, a Jamaican who's not familiar with Darkpaw, right, and then just go up and loop and watch it. By the time they done watch it, then probably left the website and I said, boy, I tell you, couldn't just bother the man, what must have bothered the man some? Every question. Now that you've been released, come on, man. I wait for part 2 still, and I'm not ready for going yet, because maybe them turn it run a part 2. But I've seen enough in part 1 for no say, sorry, this is a PR stunt. This is a PR stunt. Listen, doggy paw, here what you do now. You just touched the road, right? Right. You just touched the road and we know say your name's still in the streets. So here what me now. You go call, right? You go link up with Loop. Right? Or if you want, we can call him. We'll go get you an interview with a newspaper, right? Loop would work with it. Right? Then, more you make sure you stress the facts the police about you. The reason why you go do that is because that way you go right away, you go neutralize the JCF. That means that them have got, if them even now watch it, them even study it, them even now, make sure that if them try to keep them eye on every so you do, now them have to back off, because when the public hear that, people are going to say, look how they pressure the man. Right? So what you're doing now in the dark part is reverse psychology. Right? You put the JCF in a spot where right now they're being seen as this body that's just harassing this man, this innocent man, right? He's just being harassed. Right? And he's with his family and he's being harassed. Right? You're gonna do that. But make sure say when you talk slow. Right? Don't talk like you talk to the killer them, Don't talk like you talk to me, talk slow. Right? And try throwing one and two big words too. You know what I say? Right. When you're done, trust me, dog, I tell you, you're going to win over the people, you're going to win over. You must see the CSS nothing in Jamaica. Right. The KAJ massive. Right. KAJ have branches in all 14 parishes. So when people say this, they're going to say, you can't believe, come out, look at my arrest the man. Trust me, dog, it go work. Just link them, man. Or you want me link them for you? You want me link them for you, or you want to do it? Right. But remember, you have to talk real slow, Right? What you mean suppose the journalist put you under pressure and ask you some questions? No man, know yourself, man. In Jamaica this, How much time you see journalists tackle 87 and put him on the back foot? How much time you say that? You ever see that yet? Just know yourself, man. You don't have nothing to worry about. You don't have nothing to worry about, dog. A simple maths, ABC, 1, 2, 3. A simple one thing, man. Probably something like that how the conversation go. May I wait for part 2 still? If you go sit down and question man like Dog Paw, every question has to be 2-3 levels deep. Mr. Dog Paw, okay, since you say you're involved in this, on the night when you were accused of this, what did go on then? Then Dog Paw, and when him said, I have nothing to free them innocent, police is a fight against me. Okay, sir, then how comes this is up upon that? And the more questions you ask is the more you tie up somebody like Dog Paw, is the more you tie up the 87. Right. They look at one layer question them. That not go work. Right. What do you say to people who say, easy answer? Right. Do you feel like you've been, like, what is this, therapy? The interview sound like a therapy session. The man sound like he's sitting down there with him therapist. May I wait for part 2 still? This is spooky. Go and go watch the interview and tell me that that's not like the man lie down on one sofa with him therapist. So Dog Paw, how do you, what is this? What is this? As I said, I don't really want to go into Mr. Part 2. Right. But all I have to say is congrats to Dog Paw, your PR stunt has worked. Right. I know between you and the president of the KAJ, a pure laughing are going right now. You've done it. You've done it. The man go, and then the video quality high too, Right. So I don't know, like a backyard operation, and like it's a quick thing. But him just sketch him with on phone and I ask him the video quality high like a Hollywood movie. Come on, Loop can't go like this. So I know say part 2, I go be some solid questions, 2-3 layers deep, right? Get the thoughts of, I'm rooting for you, Loop. Surely you can't go like this. Surely this is not, you're sitting down, this is probably a once in a lifetime opportunity with Dog Paw, and the part 1 is a 5-minute interview that sounds like a therapy session. This can't, no man, Loop better than this. Loop is much better than this. So part 2, people don't want themselves, right? This is just a little preview, a little warm up. Part 2, we're going to see the real thing. Surely I said it, I go, right? Yeah, you want to sound with me? No, sir, this can't be it. This part 2, we're going to see Dog Paw start sweat. Right? Because that's the, as I say, you're going to sit down with somebody like Dog Paw, a man who have a long track record, supposed to can ask some serious questions. Now, I understand, say, People might say, but sir, people must say reputation on the man. This is how me see it. You see, if you're not going to ask the right questions, nobody do the interview. For whatever reason, we're going to make you not ask the questions, nobody do the interview. It come like, if you're going to say, well, me can't ask him because, if me say, go and go ask him on this, and yes, me not ask him because he's ignorant and I don't want him to get mad and come with me. Alright, don't go ask him then, but don't bother go over there go ask him some bag of soft question. Just allow it. Or is it a case so it better than nothing? I don't know. All me I say is, Mr. Interviewer, sneeze 3 times. Forget about 2. Sneeze 3 times if you need help. Go so. Issue. In the middle of the interview, so we don't say you need help. Are you under duress, sir? Were you told you can't ask this and can't ask that? This can't be it. Part 2 I will turn it around. Part 2 will turn it around. Loop Jamaica is a serious organization and I'm sure it have serious journalists. So part 2 is going to ask Dark Part the question then. And will be more than just a therapy session and a massive ploy in a PR campaign. I am rooting for Loop Jamaica. Surely this is not how they want to be remembered. Go watch the interview for yourself and tell me one thing. I'm just say it on my seat. Just say it on my seat. Just listen to the question them and know them set up. The question them set up for dog, but you know when you play bat up and catch, and you know so when you play the ball, you know so the ball not fling hard fast, and like baseball, the ball looping at the ear, and you have time to lick it until every question flip right up. Just easy home run then. Dark Pie is up 10 points in the 4th quarter. By the time Dark Pie done, people of Jamaica will be awash with tears. Bring on the napkin. Bring on the napkin and listen to Christopher Dark Pie Linton tell you how much he's been through so much. Dark Pie has been through so much. Can somebody give him a hug, please? Well, no bother. I'm sure he'll be able to. I'm sure no shot a hug. Actually, forget about that. I'm sure no shot a hug. Well done, Dark Pie. I see your strategy. Or the strategy of your advisors. I can at least acknowledge that. Dark Pie been gone for 10 years. Dark Pie missed out on a whole section of social media and video and all them things. The Dark Pie missed up on the whole of that. But you could have never tell. Based on the interview, come right back 15. But part 2 we're going to turn it around still. Part 2 we're going to see the real questioning. Part 2 we're going obviously he's not going to incriminate himself, but you can see how journalists from all over the world question man similar to Dark Pie. You can hear the question them. As me say, them have to be 2-3 layers deep. You can't question a man like Dark Pie and I just throw up one little question at you. So what do you say, for example, what do you say to people who say you're a criminal? What do you think you might go say? Yes, me, I am one. Yeah, man, I made it. And then remember the 5 people made it, and I made it, man. Think you might say that? You might go say, well, see, the courts, right, I've been tried and the courts say I'm innocent. I don't know why them want to bother me. I don't know why they pressure me. Right. Then you say, okay, then on the date of August 15, when you were alleged to have been in this spot, what? The more layers to the question, at them time the man start get tired because man can rehearse and prepare and have them look at one line. Right? I'm innocent and them start fight against me. Okay, but then what happened? The more you dig deeper, I saw them start tired themselves. As me say, part 2 I go turn it round. Loop is a serious organization. So go check it out on them platform. See, the difference between me and these platforms is when me see nothing, where them carries exclusive, and then me say I did some seat. But anything them find over here, so whenever you them say you got the PIA 8. With the bed bug story and all these, the Ekark walk and all these videos, whenever see none on the favorite media houses say yo, it's the PIA who go feed and find. You never see that yet? So What is due to Caesar, give to Caesar. We're going to check it out on loopjamaica.com. And brace for part 2. Bring a tissue as you go listen to this one. Because you might break down in tears. And then prepare for part 2 when things get real serious on that part. We're going to see the questions them that warrant an interview like this. Make you see it play out now. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. You don't know. PIA, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.